If your Classic is feeling loose or swaying around turning corners, it's possible that you may need to replace your sway bar to stiffen up the suspension. Restoring it can bring it back to factory stiffness and also give you more confidence turning into corners. Hey, I'm Dennis and welcome back to our OPGI product feature powered by Resto Parts, Original Parts Group's in-house brand. Today we're going to be looking at our 1964 to 77 GM A-body front sway bars. These bars are available in 1.1/8" or 1.25" diameter depending on how stiff you need your ride. All of our bars are manufactured from premium quality solid steel and designed to meet or exceed factory specifications for strength and durability. Each bar is precisely formed to feature the correct contours and mounting holes for a hassle-free installation. At the end of the production, we coat each bar with a gloss black paint finish for protection against corrosion, as well as following the factory correct look. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more product features and updates. For more information on these and other great products, please visit us at opgi.com. Call us today or use our fast, convenient website. Buy direct with Original Parts Group and enjoy the benefits of shopping with the recognized leader in the industry with decades of experience, the highest in-stock ratio, a helpful and knowledgeable sales staff, and fast professional shipping.